What if the secrets of the universe itself hold the key to understanding manifestation? Enter the world of quantum physics, where the smallest particles defy our expectations, and the very nature of reality is called into question. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of quantum manifestation and uncover how the principles of quantum physics may just provide the missing link in understanding how to manifest your desires. First, let's start with defining manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing thoughts, desires, or intentions into reality. It's the idea that you can shape your own destiny by focusing your thoughts and beliefs. But how does quantum physics fit into this equation? Quantum physics is the study of the smallest particles of the universe, such as atoms and photons, and how they behave. It is a field of science that has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and has led to some truly mind-boggling discoveries. At first glance, these two concepts may seem worlds apart. However, there are intriguing parallels between quantum physics and manifestation that can shed a new light on the manifestation process. Now, let's dive into some of the key quantum physics concepts that hold the key to understanding manifestation. Number 1. Wave-particle duality. In the world of quantum physics, particles like electrons exist in a state of wave-particle duality. This means that until observed, they exist as both a wave spread out over space and as a particle localized in one spot. Once observed, however, they suddenly collapse into a particle. This concept suggests that reality is not fixed, but rather is shaped by observation and intention. Just as a wave collapses into a particle when observed, our focused intentions may play a role in shaping our reality. Number 2. The observer effect. The observer effect is another fascinating aspect of quantum physics that has profound implications for manifestation. It refers to the phenomenon in which the very act of observing or measuring a quantum system inevitably affects the outcome. In other words, the observer cannot be separate from the observed. This concept suggests that our consciousness and focus can indeed influence reality. By focusing our thoughts and beliefs on a particular outcome, we may inadvertently bring about that outcome. Number 3. Quantum superposition. According to quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until measured or observed. This is known as quantum superposition. For example, an electron can spin in multiple directions at once, but the moment we measure it, its state collapses to one particular direction. In the context of manifestation, this can be likened to the infinite possibilities that exist in the quantum field. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs create vibrations that interact with the quantum field. And these vibrations can exist in a superposition of states until we choose to collapse them into a specific outcome. By focusing our intentions and beliefs, we essentially observe or measure these quantum possibilities, collapsing them into physical reality. Number 4. Quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a truly mind-boggling phenomenon in which two or more particles become interconnected and influence each other instantaneously regardless of the distance between them. Even when separated by vast stretches of space, these entangled particles remain connected. This interconnectedness suggests that all things are linked together in the universe, and that our thoughts and intentions can have ripples far beyond our immediate surroundings. In the context of manifestation, quantum entanglement hints at the interconnectedness of all things and the potential for our intentions to influence events and outcomes in ways that we may not immediately perceive. So how do these quantum concepts relate to the practical application of manifestation? Visualization is a powerful tool that allows us to focus our thoughts and emotions on a desired outcome. By vividly imagining ourselves already in possession of what we desire, we create a mental picture that aligns our consciousness with the outcome we wish to manifest. This visualization process can be seen as a way of collapsing the infinite possibilities in the quantum field down to a specific outcome. Affirmations also play a significant role in quantum manifestation. Through positive affirmations, we consciously feed our minds with empowering statements that reinforce our desired outcomes. By repeating affirmations such as, "I am abundant," or "I am successful," we gradually reprogram our subconscious minds to align with these concepts. This aligns our energy with the vibrational frequency of our desires, facilitating their manifestation. Gratitude is a powerful practice that involves appreciating and being thankful for the blessings already present in our lives. By cultivating gratitude, we raise our vibrational energy to a positive state, creating a magnetic pull towards more positive experiences and outcomes. This positive energy can then catalyze the manifestation process. Meditation is another essential tool in the quantum manifestation toolkit. Meditation allows us to quiet the mind, relax the body, and tune into the quantum field. During meditation, we can set clear intentions and focus our consciousness on the desired outcome. By regularly practicing meditation, we cultivate a deep connection with our inner selves and the quantum field, aligning our energy with the frequencies of our desires. These practices lay the groundwork for harnessing the power of quantum physics in manifesting your desires. Remember, it's through consistent practice, unwavering belief, and an open mind that you can unlock the full potential of quantum manifestation. While the concept of quantum manifestation is intriguing, it's essential to acknowledge the skepticism surrounding this approach. Direct scientific evidence to support the idea of manifestation as a repeatable and systematic process is currently lacking. Some may argue that the subjective nature of manifestation makes it difficult to test scientifically. It is important to strike a balance between maintaining a scientific mindset and remaining open to exploring metaphysical concepts. While quantum physics provides a fascinating framework, it's crucial to recognize that the manifestation process also involves subjective experiences and beliefs. To fully understand and harness the power of quantum manifestation, it's essential to bridge the gap between science and spirituality. Quantum physics itself is blurring the lines between these two realms, suggesting that consciousness and intention play a pivotal role in shaping reality. Several scientific theories lend support to the idea of manifestation. The double-slit experiment demonstrates how observation affects the behavior of particles. In this famous experiment, when no observer is present, particles seem to exhibit wave-like properties. However, when observed, they suddenly act like particles. This suggests that the very act of observation or intention can influence reality. The holographic universe theory proposes that our reality is a projection of a deeper underlying structure. This theory suggests that reality is not fixed, but rather is shaped by perception and consciousness. By aligning our thoughts and beliefs with our desired outcomes, we can potentially influence the projection of our reality. The zero-point energy field is a concept in quantum physics that proposes a field of infinite potential energy that permeates the universe. Some believe that this field can be tapped into and influenced by human intention, facilitating manifestation. While theories and anecdotal evidence abound, direct scientific proof of manifestation as a systematic process remains elusive. To further explore the topic, it is worth looking into case studies and anecdotal evidence of individuals who claim to have successfully manifested significant changes in their lives. Many people share their personal stories of using the law of attraction and other manifestation techniques to transform their circumstances. While individual experiences cannot be generalized, they offer intriguing insights into the potential power of the mind. One notable experiment was conducted by Japanese doctor and author Dr. Masaru Emoto. He claimed to have demonstrated how the power of thought and intention can affect the molecular structure of water. In his experiments, he exposed samples of water to different words and phrases, both positive and negative, and then examined the resulting ice crystals under a microscope. He found that water exposed to positive words and phrases formed beautiful and intricate crystals, while water exposed to negative words and phrases produced distorted and fragmented crystals. While the scientific community has debated the validity of his methods, his work has sparked interest in the potential impact of intention on the molecular level. Exploring case studies and anecdotal evidence, while not providing definitive proof, adds depth and intrigue to the discussion surrounding quantum manifestation. As we venture into the realm of quantum manifestation, it's essential to address the ethical considerations that arise. If our thoughts and intentions hold the power to shape reality, then it becomes our responsibility to use this ability wisely and ethically. One ethical dilemma concerns the potential for manipulation or harm. If we can influence the reality of others through our thoughts, it raises questions about consent and the potential for causing harm intentionally or unintentionally. It's crucial to use manifestation ethically, considering the well-being and autonomy of both ourselves and others. Another ethical consideration relates to the balance between free will and determinism. If our thoughts and intentions shape our reality, it can lead to the question of whether free will exists. Are our actions truly our own, or are they predetermined by our beliefs and intentions? This philosophical debate has profound implications for understanding the nature of our existence and the responsibility for our actions. As we continue to explore the concept of quantum manifestation, it's important to engage with these ethical questions and strive for responsible and mindful manifestation practices. The relationship between science and spirituality has often been perceived as a dichotomy, with many viewing them as mutually exclusive domains of human understanding. However, quantum physics challenges this traditional view by bridging the gap between these two realms. Quantum physics reveals a universe that is deeply interconnected and influenced by observation and intention. It blurs the lines between the material world and the spiritual realm, suggesting that consciousness and the quantum field are intimately related. By integrating the principles of quantum physics with spiritual wisdom and practices, like meditation and mindfulness, we can develop a more holistic understanding of ourselves and the universe. This approach can lead to a sense of unity and interconnectedness, reminding us that we are not separate from the natural world, but are an integral part of it. In conclusion, quantum physics offers a fascinating lens through which to view the process of manifestation. From wave-particle duality to the observer effect, these concepts suggest that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can indeed influence reality. By understanding and harnessing the principles of quantum physics, we can tap into the infinite potential of the quantum field and co-create our reality. However, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. While quantum physics provides a compelling framework, direct scientific evidence for manifestation as a systematic process is currently lacking. It's important to approach manifestation with an open mind, while also remaining grounded in scientific understanding. Ultimately, the intersection of science, consciousness, and reality creation is a vast and complex area of exploration. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, we may uncover even deeper insights into the nature of manifestation and our place within it. So keep your minds open, stay curious, and embrace the journey of self-discovery and personal growth that manifestation can bring.